Hey there, this is Dr. Brian Davies again, gardening video number 2. We're going to be talking about water systems today, but I actually just quickly wanted to show you the baby plants that we started, and we're going to talk about how to make your own little babies the next video. So here's the babies that we've started already, and along with our farming crew, we will be working on getting these guys into the greenhouse here shortly. So here we are outside talking about water systems, and once again I just want to give everybody a bit of a disclaimer. I'm definitely not an expert gardener, but I would say that I'm fairly good at evaluating systems, and watering systems are the second most important thing next to soil when it comes to gardening. So what we have on the property here, we have 2 wells, and we have 5,000 gallons of underground water from rainwater collection in one tank, and we have 1,000 gallons in another tank. And just briefly, we had a question about the biogas digester. So this is actually something we have to use in the wintertime, called a tumbler composter. And the tumbler just has to be used because the biogas digester, which is this funny looking thing I mentioned last time, it requires temperatures of 25 degrees to operate. So that's why I have it in a solar casing like I do. And this biogas digester comes from Israel. I picked it up actually on Kickstarter about 3 years ago, and it's an incredible system. It basically takes the compost in that end, digests it, and brings us pure fertilizer out the other end, and creates methane gas that can actually be used for cooking. So there's my spring, as I said, and this is an infinity pond going into a storage barrel, and the storage barrel uses either gravity or it uses a pump system to basically water our garden, using what we've decided to use is soaker hoses, which is a system that essentially just soaks the ground around it, and you can control them fairly nicely at different points. So that's our watering system. So stay tuned for our next video, which is going to be hopefully getting the babies into the ground.